Hello and welcome to another video brought to you by Data Up Consulting. In today's video, we'll be doing something actually a little bit different than what we're typically used to. Instead of talking about many of the features that are offered within Domo that have been around for a very long time, we'll actually be talking about a much newer thing that has actually been created. It was actually created this past spring of 2023 at the time of this recording. It's something that is provides a different aspect of what we typically have from Domo in the past. So in the way in which, as you can see in front of me, I have a visual right here that has the overall globe here of the whole world here, and I'll explain in a minute what these little things are detailing at the moment. But the way in which this thing is created, in which it's different than what typically is within Domo, this thing is not created through the use of going into Analyzer, connecting the data, and choosing from one of the many different visuals that you want. It's actually created through the use of JavaScript, HTML, and or CSS. So after going in here, giving it a quick little click, and choosing Edit Card, they have one of many different things here. This is, I believe, at the time of this recording, they have about 82 different visuals that you can create within here that are created through JavaScript, and this is just one of the many. You'll see down below I have connected through the, as I just talked before, the Starbucks logo here, or excuse me, the Starbucks data set here. I have the location here connected through the latitude and longitude that's provided in the data and the store name. So as I click into here, I will see the exact locations in which these stores are located within the US. As I click into here, you'll see the markers showing all the locations there. The way in which this is something that is also a really nice feature and stuff is if, let's say you want to make a quick change in something, you want to do, let's say for instance, I want to change the color of the marker. I don't want green. So quickly doing that and switching it from green, let's type in red here. You will see very quickly as I go closer here that instead of being green now, they're very quickly just changed to red. So this is one of many, many ways in which you can customize this thing. I'm not by any means a JavaScript expert and everything, but as long as you know the basics, you can, as you can probably imagine, develop some very well-adaptive things online to create certain visuals and stuff. And even better, if you do have someone within your company or individually that is very well knowledgeable about JavaScript itself or HTML, you can create some very unique and basically just unique type of visuals that many other companies just can't offer, and just create something that's obviously that sets you apart from your competition. That's something that obviously everyone really strives for in the first place. So this is one of the many things. The way in which I created this map is through the use of connected it through Mapbox. That type of thing is also used within Tableau. I won't go into detail in which how I connect that, as Domo provides that type of thing on their website, so I recommend checking that out as you can. But I just want to quickly showcase how, through the use of this quick update, it actually provides a very uncommon thing. So that's about it for today's video. It's a very quick video. I just want to quickly showcase one of the many different type of visuals that you can create within Domo Bricks or DDX Bricks that I just mentioned. So leave comments down below about any questions you have or future visuals I can talk about in the future. As I just talked about, there's over 82 of them at the time of this recording, so there's plenty to talk about with each of these. That's about all. So thanks, and just have a great day.